In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up brand-specific creative guidelines in AdCreative AI so you can take full advantage of the platform's AI-driven tools to produce powerful and on-brand ads. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effortlessly ensure your brand's voice and identity are consistently represented in every ad campaign while saving time and boosting results. AdCreative AI is a game changer in digital marketing, using advanced AI to generate high-performing ad creatives that align perfectly with your brand's style and goals. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their ad design process without compromising quality. And the best part? You can try it for free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's dive into how you can set up brand-specific creative guidelines within AdCreative AI so your campaigns stay on brand every time. First, start by logging into your AdCreative AI dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Brand Settings section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to define your brand's unique voice, tone, color palette, font styles, and overall visual identity. When you click on Brand Settings, you'll notice several fields where you can upload your brand assets. You can upload your brand logo, any specific imagery, and color codes that represent your brand's identity. This ensures that every creative generated by AdCreative AI will be infused with your brand's personality. Next, let's set your preferred fonts and color schemes. AdCreative AI allows you to specify fonts that align with your brand's aesthetic. Whether you use modern sans serifs, elegant serifs, or bold custom fonts, you can input the names of these fonts or upload them if they're not available. The same goes for your brand colors. Input your hex codes and AdCreative AI will automatically incorporate them into any generated ad design, ensuring the consistency you need for all your campaigns. Don't forget to set up your brand's tone and messaging guidelines. You'll be able to specify how your ads should sound, whether they should be casual, professional, humorous, or authoritative. This feature helps make sure that the AI understands the voice your brand needs, and it's an incredibly useful tool to align your messaging with your business objectives. Now that you've got the basics set up, let's take it a step further. You can even upload examples of past creatives or provide feedback on previous designs directly within AdCreative AI. The AI will learn from these examples, gradually improving its understanding of what works for your brand. As you create ad campaigns, AdCreative AI will pull from the guidelines you've set, automatically applying them to the ad designs it generates. This means you can rest easy knowing that your ads will always match your brand's look and feel, even when working at scale. What's great is that you can test multiple creatives simultaneously. With AdCreative AI's advanced A/B testing features, you can quickly see which designs perform best, helping you optimize your campaigns without extra effort. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or other digital campaigns, these brand-specific guidelines ensure that every creative hits the mark. This level of control over your brand's ad designs can save you hours of manual work while still ensuring you're getting high-quality, professional creatives every time. Plus, because the AI continuously learns and adapts, the longer you use it, the better it gets at producing designs that resonate with your audience. So, to recap, by setting up brand-specific creative guidelines in AdCreative AI, you ensure your brand's identity is consistently represented in every ad you run. From uploading logos and fonts to specifying color palettes and tone, this software helps you maintain a professional, cohesive presence across all your campaigns. Before I wrap up, remember, you can access this software completely free through the first link in the description, along with some exclusive bonuses for signing up today. If you're ready to elevate your ad game and get better results from your campaigns, I highly recommend giving AdCreative AI a try. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.